day. Blue waffle, my head is not touching the ceiling. My head's not even that close. You guys are always trying to rage bait me. Not today. I don't know why my titty's honking the horn. Shut the fuck up. Guys, today we're gonna be doing a mukbang from McDonald's. Now, usually it's just like how I open my box. You know, just get to it faster. I don't know what to drop. You got in a horrible car accident? That's awful. Anyway, this burger looks really delicious. Like I said before, I got the corner pounder. This is what it looks like. Beauty bite! Beauty bite! Guys, let me leave a comment. Thanks, Blue Waffle, for the gift. Beauty bite. Do you believe in love after love? I do. I can feel it in my geezer. I'm bringing sexy back. What? Them other naders and salads don't know how to act. What? Give me my CPAP back. Go heavy going. Go heavy going. VIG. Go heavy going. PG-13. Go heavy going. Dirty washcloth that Everlyn uses at my house. Now it looks so brown. Come here, Sally. Thank you, Teardrop! Yeah, Toaster Tits, I was thinking about getting a surgery done where I could get a second throat. So, you know, my throat would be like a double barrel shotgun. Wouldn't that be cool, eh? What the fuck ever, you guys. You guys are just a bunch of fucking haters. I'm just trying to be more productive, God.
This will be everlasting love. This will be everlasting love. This will be everlasting.